hell is that noise?
Belt. Belt.
No, it's not the belt.
What is it?
That's
Well, imagine have all their goals written down as to what they want to do. I'm assuming.
Alright, I got auto tune. Everybody stand back.
auto tuning. No touchy touch while it's auto tuning.
It's gonna take a little while. Set up auto tune.
Oh, we got all our goals written down. Everything's all.
We're not gonna make them, but it's a learning process. You ready to move the full 180? Go ahead.
There?
Don't use that. Use this down here because that's moving her. Alright, and then here, and then here, and then here,
Got it.
and then here.
Go ahead and do what you gotta do.
Okay, you may go.
Got it?
Yep.
Hey, Larry,
Just stay away from it for a while. Let it do its thing.
don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
God, I can't wait till freaking Saturday when we get down the motor.
Larry's gonna see if he can get the suction cup to pick up the chicken tomorrow.
And do
It
that.
ain't gonna be a chicken. It ain't gonna be something.
I don't
No,
care.
it needs to be that bag specifically.
We don't got that
of
bag.
chicken.
We ain't making that
For
bag
at
right
least
now.
2 pounds.
What?
With that suction.
I'll
cup
get
you got.
some that weigh about 2 pounds.
You know, it needs to be that bag of chicken because that's what we're picking up. You can't pick up something else that's not
I just
have
go to
the
the
right
store and buy a
shape,
$10
form.
or $5 bag of
And we
chicken.
get them for free, dude.
Yeah.
I'll call the plant manager. That's what the problem is.
They ain't making it right now.
They've got it in storage. Go to the warehouse. Talk to Larry.
Okay.
We'll find something like a plastic that's a similar density as the.
Well, that's why I said I'll just go to
Well,
the
it's
damn
also
store.
disformity in shape too,
Yeah, that's what I
because
mean, the shape and
Well.
usually because of the approximate density.
That's what I was saying. I'll just go to the store because their chicken's sold at HEB. It's in whatever we want.
Not necessarily HEB. It's at Walmart.
Or Walmart or wherever the hell. I can just go buy a bag and only $5. Not a big deal.
Yeah, the hard part will be, it's going to rot.
Yeah.
we'll get dry ice. Put it in the freezer here.
You know, keep it in the freezer.
Will this thing be, working with, in a real cold environment, like you said?
Yes.
So the chickens are.
50 degrees. 47 to 50
The
degrees.
chickens are frozen to begin with, that you're.
Well, inside the plant's 50 degrees, but yeah, the chicken's frozen in the bag.
So these frozen chickens are gonna come, then they're gonna go in the box?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming off a bagger. There's like chicken nuggets or chicken tenders.
Okay, so you're
It's
gonna
coming
use
off a bagger.
you're
like
gonna
3
use
baggers.
a suction technique to pick up the,
That's the theory. Yeah.
the bag is going to be vacuum sealed.
Yes.
Yes.
Or
Bag not vacuum sealed.
they're
Yeah.
heat sealed.
It's sealed.
Well,
sealed.
I'm talking about, because the bag might slip, and if you go to pick up with a vacuum, like a
Right,
suction cup
right.
thing,
You
the
could-
bag may move a little bit, and you may
Right.
have difficulties.
Right.
Yeah.
We have different styles of suction cups. We have some that are like elongated that have more plunger flexibility on them. This is just a small example. You know, we have the big ones.
Yeah,
But,
I think you're gonna need a bigger one.
well, the
We
one
got
we
one.
have is 2 inches. It's about like that big.
Mhm.
We have 2 of those, so if we need to, we'd add 2 of them if that vacuum cube can handle it. I'm just surprised we got this far. It's a lot of work and a lot of money
How long did it take to auto
for a
tune?
Frankenstein piece of shit.
Yeah, I heard you say you survived.
I'll tell you what. Thomas Jefferson didn't have all his crap in a row when he started inventing stuff, did he?
Thomas Jefferson actually invented
Just
something.
think of Edison.
Edison, yeah.
That's how most people
I mean-
start their
How many,
Start,
how
I
many
mean-
experiments did he get before he got the light?
That's how my boss got his start. Is he built a robot in his garage. 36 years later, he's a multimillionaire building robots.
100 and some different tries before he finally figured out the filament.
And his first robot was really a piece of shit. He still got it up at display up there in a trailer. looks like hammered dog
So
shit.
what
It looks
do
like
you-
something like this, you know?
He built a robot, and what was the?
His main selling customer was Frito-Lay. They needed a way to bag their chips in boxes without crushing their chips. That's what he did.
It's talking to you, Mike.
It's finding optimal
It's talking to you. Listen to it.
peak values of operations.
It's talking to you.
This is patented design technology we're working with, right?
Heavily designed my ass.
Bravo Sierra.
10%, 18% done. Right now, I just got it on a 2-step timer. So it's acting like products coming down the conveyor, so I'll sit there and work back and forth.
So what's gonna be the source of the suction?
Where'd it go?
Compressor.
Compressor?
These things right here, hand it to him. It's called a vacuum.
You know how shop vac or air vac works that aircraft mechanics use?
Yeah,
Same principle. It's got a Venturi coming in. It's got a Venturi in there. Air
okay,
gets blown in. It
Creates a
suction.
vacuum.
okay, so it's really, you blow in there and generates the vacuum.
Mhm.
Into the Venturi. Yep.
With the baffled manifold.
And-
Same principle as the shop vac or the air vacs that we use at work. All the mechanics have.
Alright, and, you know how much pressure you gotta push into
I
it?
haven't got to be pushing about 100 psi into this damn thing.
That little compressor you got?
It puts out about 100 psi. It ain't gonna last long, but it puts out 100 psi.
I wish I had more time to sit here and work on the programming aspect of the touchscreen. Like, say if you was buying a robot, what would you want on your touchscreen for user operators to use? Of course, you got to start it, stop it, reset it, show fault indication, input outputs for your technicians. Right. Also got stats for box counts, product counts, maybe product misses.
And a happy smiley face.
What else would you want? I know different recipes if you could do different size products and stuff like that. Yeah, of course, but we don't have that option. Because I've got a lot of real estate here that I don't feel like I'm really utilizing.
What about hours on the motors?
Runtime hours, I can put that in there.
Runtime hours. on the
Runtime hours.
home-
Cycle counts. Cycle counts, runtime hours.
Also,
Did anybody grab my notebook from classroom?
I didn't touch it.
You're fired. Get out.
I didn't bring your stuff. Josh did. Also, you might want it where you could have individuals log in.
Give me something to write on. Somewhere or something.
Yeah, that way you do statistical analysis, who is really doing their job.
Here you go.
So we need
Runtime,
runtime,
Cycle count.
cycle count.
user.
We don't need users.
Well, cause it's gonna be different people on it anyway. Why you gonna have a user on there?
Well,
You can
You
do
wanna
both.
have the users-
Talk about
Shifts.
supervisor.
Yeah, shifts.
What you can do is whenever you start your shift, you know, you come in, you reset count on your shift, enter a password for a reset count. So
And the machine will know who's actually operating the machine.
Yeah.
you could log in, you could do a user login. So
That's
user,
what I'm talking about.
user
Something
login.
like that. Yeah.
So you know if there's a lot of failures on one shift or not.
Right.
password protection.
Yeah, definitely a password protection. You don't want any Joe Blow in the factory coming up and operating the damn thing.
Okay, that can all be done with the
Your,
touch.
your, time of operation is important.
Yeah,
because
that's-
then you know when you have to have some downtime to maintain it, so you don't have a. failure.
Maintenance schedule.
Maintenance
That's right,
schedule.
maintenance schedule.
PM schedule.
Maintenance and PM schedule.
Yeah.
I used to dread.
Every
Troubleshooting techniques and tips. Training manual.
Absolutely, training manual.
I mean every 2 weeks you want to do this. Every 30 days you do this and this.
This is how you start it. This is how you stop it.
Yeah.
This is how you replace a motor.
This is what you do for your basic programming to get it back up and running.
Complaint department is 300 miles
Well,
that way.
That's a whole nother tech manual, that's a whole nother.
Yeah,
Tech manual.
well, you figure they're gonna have to shut it down if you want to clean it.
Yeah. Well, you figure if you're gonna run in a factory, you're gonna have 7-day, 14-day, 30-day, 60-day, 90-day PM schedules on it.
I almost want to let it run overnight till tomorrow and make sure everything's alright.
Come in tomorrow and.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
So I need to program the cycle count real quick and see how many cycle
You're
counts we
gonna
do
let it
overnight.
run 24 hours?
Yeah, they run
Why
24
not?
hours pretty much. All the time they really turn down is
I have
like,
an issue with that. I mean,
Alright, so I need to do a full cycle count on whenever we see that photo eye.
I know you would like to see it. We'd all like to see it run 24 hours, but if nobody's here and something stupid were to happen,
Everything's current limited and fault ready.
I understand this.
If something overloads, motor power will shut off.
I understand this, but if
All fuses blocks, everything's rated. It's rated, baby. Rated.
any other excuse?
Any other excuse you want?
yeah,
Now, hold on. Let me program in this cycle counter real quick.
I kind of follow the jelly side down theory.
yeah, I do too. If
If anything can happen,
it will happen, Murphy likes sticking his ugly head in just about everything I do.
Well,
Really, the best thing for you to
as
do.
an electrician, you can burn down 3 houses before they take your license.
Yeah, but starting out and burning down a school might not be.
What would you wanna do is, come in early, when
What
the school
input
is
is that?
open, turn it on, as long as somebody's around,
Right.
What
and
input
then
was that?
keep track of
I
all
mean,
the stuff, all
that-
the data.
I forgot what input.
The problem is we're at work.
Okay, so input product count.
Yeah, but there'll be somebody in the school.
Right, but I'm saying we can't come in and just start it while we're at work.
Product detection input
What?
0
Wait for it,
1.
man.
Yeah, we're at work.
Internet of Things.
That would actually be pretty cool. Internet connection